Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me while I fix my boobies for the video, but I'm going to use this opportunity just to do a quick intro. So if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do the shaved side and box braids on the other side. I am using the rubber band method. So that basically just means I've sectioned up my hair and I've done each section with rubber bands. I will be using impression hair, which is a lot like expression hair, but it's a bit softer, a bit more easier to manage, and it doesn't tangle so much. And this is the moment where I realized I forgot something. So the video really does explain itself, but I am going to kind of talk through what I've done a little bit, just for those who are not really used to braiding hair, so you can understand a little bit better. So this is the section that I used, that's the size I used. And then what I done is I took about a quarter of that, or a little bit more than a quarter, like a third. And I didn't put it in the middle of that hair like I normally would. I put it like a third across, so a little bit away from the halfway mark. This is how I was able to achieve the length that I was with the hair that I used. Because if I had put it in half, it would have made the hair shorter. It wouldn't have been able to reach like down to my bum, which is basically where my braids stop, like the top of my bum. So I'm gonna leave the video to play out, and if I do need to explain anything else, then I will jump back on. This right here is that exhausting moment when you just wish you went to the hairdressers. So on this occasion, I didn't line up my edges. By line up my edge, I mean sharpen it, like shape it up. I didn't do that on this occasion. But looking back at the video, I know it would have looked a lot neater if I did do that. But I did later go ahead and get it shaped up.
Inspira la música.
I'm doing good, so I don't need ya. Bet now you're feeling like a Ija. I see you trying to kick it like FIFA, but with you I'm done, I took a breather. I blow real smoke, no shisha. You can catch me in the whiz, no Khalifa. I'm moving colder than the freezer, so I really don't need ya. Fuck boy, you should've never crossed me. Shouldn't. Right now that move's looking costly. Expensive. Now I'm ranked up, moving bossy. Thick chick, thick lips, looking glossy. Link the plug out in East Cockney. Yeah. No gym, but he spot me. Wait. Caretaker man got keys. Dre got me sounding poppy. Five-seater car, I'm riding solo. Bare horses, El Drogo. Just trying to see pounds off postcodes. I'm the best, just need the right promo. I'm coming from the ground like a Converse. And with fuck boys, I don't really converse. Fuck my pagans, you only get one verse. And I killed it, somebody call a one hearse. I'm doing good, so I don't need ya. Bet now you're feeling like a Ija. I see you trying to kick it like FIFA, but with you I'm done, I took a breather. I blow real smoke, no shisha. You can catch me in the whiz, no Khalifa. I'm moving colder than the freezer, so I really don't need ya. My ex left, she trying to upgrade. I was cheating anyway, it didn't bun me. Now a new man's looking all unpaid. His pockets on the weak Monday.